Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi and today's video is a blog kind of a video. Okay, so a few days back I got new stuff from skinny.com. So this is their modeling cup pack, and then I got actually a lot of stuff from them. And then I got a moisturizing cucumber pack, and then lemon tree, tea tree, nose cleansing strip, a wrinkle excuse me, a wrinkle hydrogel eye patch, and I also got their Hyaluron essence mask. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then I got Beauty Friends 2 Tomato Essence Mask Sheet Pack, and this is how it looks like. Last thing the last thing that I got was this collagen lifting mask. It's a 3-step facial care, and this is how it looks like. So I will be trying one of these on my face, and there is a giveaway at the end of this video. Do not forget to check it out. So I'll be trying this one, which is a 3-step anti-aging collagen lifting mask. It is a 3-step facial care, so it has an active ampule, and it has an essence mask, and then it has a night cream. Oh, I'll probably try this tonight. But for now, I think I'll try that one tonight. But I think right now I'll use this one. So I've already washed my face and it's all clean, and everything is written in some different language. I don't know how to use it, but I will let's just have a look at it first. By the way, if you want to buy stuff from skinny.com, you can buy it in India itself. You don't have to worry about shipping and everything. I'll link that in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Because I'm not sure right now, but I think I read somewhere on Instagram that they have a store now in India itself, so you can buy it from here itself. So which will be a lot easier, guys. So let's try this modeling cup pack, and this is how it looks like. It smells like polo. It smells like polo, and it has this applicator or mixer with it, and then it has all these substances in it. Probably you can mix it with this is Acerola. I don't know what it is. I don't know how it is. I don't know how it will perform on my skin, but my skin is seriously doing bad. So I'll just mix in some aloe vera gel into it, and then just apply it on my face. This is how it has become a new way to make it now. And in the last already minute. No wonder I run out of things in the aloe vera so quickly. I use it in my hair, in my skin, in my bags, everywhere. It's very cooling. I really like it. It has mentha in it, like it has peppermint in it, and which is very cooling. I really like that. It smells amazing. I really love applying polo on my face by banging the door. Kids. Okay, so I have applied it all over my face, and it's a really thick layer, and I look like a zombie right now. So let's wait and see how it turns out to be, whether I feel good or bad about it. So yeah, and stay tuned a bit. I've said it earlier. I'm saying it now as well. Stay tuned till the end of the video for an exciting giveaway. It's actually coming out really easily, and it actually solidified. So loving it. My skin feels so soft right now. I can't tell you guys. I still have some on my hairline, but guys, this face mask was intense, insane. I felt so good. Even when it was on my skin, I could feel that it was lifting up my skin, it was firming my skin. And look at the brightness on my skin, like you can see the difference on my neck and my face, and these areas, they're just glowing like anything. A big thumbs up to this mask, and I'm looking forward to try this once again. It was amazing and mind-blowing. I feel so soft. The mask was so easy to take off, and I feel so soft, like I cannot get enough of my skin, and my skin is so radiant right now. Just look at that. So okay, so the giveaway, or the fun part, is that I am going to give away. Okay, so the fun part now is the giveaway. I'm going to give away this particular what is this? This is their essence mask. I'm also going to give away their lemon moisturizing, no, lemon tea tree nose cleansing strips, and then I'm going to give away the wrinkle strips, and also the moisturizing cucumber pack for all skin types. This one, because I'm so impressed by this one. Like guys, you can make out for yourself. My skin is so much different. Like I cannot stop seeing myself in the viewfinder. I feel so good. My skin feels so good. It's so soft. A big thumbs up to skin18.com for sending me this particular face mask. I have never tried anything of this sort. It was actually a modeling clay mask and honkers. So it was a modeling clay mask. You have to apply it, and it would have, I think it was supposed to just come off easily, and so it did. And I did not use any water, as you saw, and it was so amazing, guys. So the rules for the giveaway: all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment down below why you want all these face masks, because only one person is going to win this, and share it on all your social medias. That's all that you have to do. And yeah, I hope you guys would participate in this small little giveaway of mine, because I'm really impressed by skin18.com. The last video that I did was also amazing. I did a giveaway in that as well, and this one also I just wanted to share whatever I got with you guys. So just participate and comment down below participated. So the rules will be in the description box. All the prizes will be name mentioned in the description box, and I will announce the winners in 1 week. I hope you guys like this video, and if it was helpful to you guys in any ways, do let me know by commenting down below, and I shall see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.